Vial Sealing Nourishing Boost. Preparation. Wash. Wash hair with the molecular shampoo. Pat with a towel to remove excess water. Application. Restructuring vial. Melt the contents of 1 vial, 30 seconds. Can also be warmed in a bowl of warm water to melt the contents. Apply the product over the mousse to form a thermal veil. Massage into hair to ensure each strand is well covered. Leave-on time. Leave the product to work for 30 minutes. Apply wet or dry heat to boost the treatment. Rinse. Rinse to remove all the product from hair. Dry and style as usual. Application. Cuticle seal. Apply the cuticle seal to mid-lengths and ends. Follow-up care recommended.